Hello students, in this lecture we will learn pyrolysis. Here pyro means heat, lysis means to rupture or to break. So इसका मतलब क्या होता है? किसी भी कंपाउंड को हीट देके उसको क्या करना है? ब्रेक करना है. So let's see what is mean by pyrolysis. Here alkane on thermal decomposition at 600 degree centigrade gives अल्किन एंड अल्केन. तो कोई भी अल्केन अगर ब्रेक होगा तो अल्केन ब्रेक होके उसके दो तरह के कंपाउंड बनेंगे. एक होगा आपका अल्किन, दूसरा होगा अल्केन. नाउ देयर इज अ इट इज आल्सो नोन एज रप्चर ऑफ और दीज कंपाउंड्स आर मेड अप ऑफ by the rupture of C-C bond. Let's see the examples. Here propane on cracking at 600 degree centigrade, it will produce ethane and a methane. How it is? We will look here. Here one of the here it is a CH3 group. It is a CH3, CH2 and CH3. Now what happens if this bond is break and if this bond is break? What happens here? CH2 and CH2. Here after breaking radical will be generated here after breaking this. Now these two radical will form a bond. Now it forms what? CH2 यानी alkane ethene will be formed. Now alkane is what? CH4 after breaking what happens here? CH4 CH3 radical and here one more hydrogen is there is also a radical is there. Now these two radicals will make a bond and here overall it is formation of what? CH3 and 1H, it is a CH4. Then next example we will see here. Next example, now look, it is a butane on cracking with 600 degree centigrade. It will give four types of products. Try yourself. Here how it is, what is the mechanism for that? First of all we will see here. Here it is a CH3 group. Now there is a one more possibility here. We can write CH2 as H, break this hydrogen. Here all the other remaining part is same. CH3, CH radical, CH2 radical and here a CH3 radical. Now they will यहाँ पे एक रेडिकल है, यहाँ पे एक रेडिकल. These two radical will make a bond and forms a propene. Forms what? A propene. Here actually it is a CH3 forms a propene. Now after that these two hydrogens, this hydrogen and this hydrogen, here hydrogen and this methyl group will make a bond and there is a formation of what? CH4, that is methane. Now next another, what is the another possibility? Another possibility is that these two methyl group will be broken and there is a formation of what? CH2. Here is CH2 radical and they will make a bond and they will form a ethene as a product. Now next another possibility, ये दोनों यहाँ से कट गए तो रिमेन्स क्या है? ये CH3 रेडिकल है, यहाँ पे ये साइड में भी क्या है आपका? CH3 रेडिकल है. तो these two radical will form a bond and there is a formation of what? That is ethane. Alkene, first one alkene and another is a alkane, that is ethane. This is the, these are here if we take a bigger molecule it will gives a four types of products. Now next we will see here a hydrogenation. What is mean by hydrogenation? Alkane on thermal decomposition at 600 degree centigrade gives alkene and alkane. Dehydrogenation is like similar to pyrolysis. So here there was a rupture of carbon-carbon bond takes place, and here a rupture of CH bond. So let's see the examples. Propene on dehydrogenation gives what? Propene. So how it is working? Let's see here. Is CH3 as it is. CH, here is CH2 I will write here, and one more another hydrogen is there. I will write one more hydrogen is there. Therefore we will break this. After breaking, what happens? There is a minus H2, and what it is? CH, here single bond CH2, radical and radical. Now these two radical will make a bond, and they will give what? A propene. Here also after breaking, these two hydrogen will produce gets a radical, and these two radical will make a bond and liberating what? Plus H2 as a gas. They are liberating like this. Next example we will see here. Here butane and butane on dehydrogenation. Dehydrogenation at 600 degrees centigrade. They are producing two types of product. One is 2-butene and another is 1-butene. How it is? Let's see. Here CH3, CH2, CH, and it is a CH2. Here hydrogen and hydrogen is there. Now these two hydrogen will break and it will produce a H2 will be liberated, and what is the remaining? ये अगर बॉन्ड ब्रेक होगा तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा? इसका यहाँ पे एक रेडिकल बनेगा, ये कार्बन पे एक रेडिकल बनेगा. नो, दे विल share their electron and they will make a double bond here like this. Now after that there is another possibility. Here there is another possibility. CH3, CH, CH and CH3. therefore यहाँ पे एक हाइड्रोजन है, यहाँ पे एक हाइड्रोजन है. So after breaking these two there is a liberation of what? Plus H2 यहाँ पे liberate होगा, और यहाँ पे रिमेन्स क्या रह गया? यहाँ पे एक डॉट रहेगा, यहाँ पे एक डॉट रह गया. सो दीज टू रेडिकल्स विल शेयर देयर इलेक्ट्रॉन्स एंड मेकिंग डबल बॉन्ड हियर. तो ये क्या बनेगा हमारा? ये कंपाउंड बनेगा. देयरफॉर हियर लुक, दिस इज ए 2-butene एंड दिस वन इज अ 1-butene. यहाँ पे क्या है? ये डोनेटिंग साइड एक ही है, यहाँ पे डोनेटिंग साइड कितनी है? 2 डोनेटिंग साइड है. तो ये क्या होगा हमारा? 2-butene इज मेजर. ये बनेगा हमारा